In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize all letters in Google Sheets. This can be particularly useful if you're dealing with a list of names or titles and you want everything to look uniform and neatly organized. We'll be using the upper function in Google Sheets, which is a straightforward tool for converting any text into uppercase effortlessly. To get started, locate the cell that contains the text you want to convert to all uppercase letters. Once you've identified that, we need to move your focus to a different cell where you'd like the uppercase result to be displayed. Now, click on this new cell to keep it selected. With your selected cell in place, simply start by typing an equals sign. In Google Sheets, equals signs are how you begin any formula or function, letting the software know that you want it to perform a specific task or calculation. Following the equals sign, we'll type the word upper in all caps. This tells Google Sheets precisely that you intend to convert text from lowercase to uppercase letters. Right after upper, you'll need to open a parenthesis. This parenthesis is crucial as it indicates that you will now specify what text you want to convert. Next, you'll click on the original cell containing the text you wish to change to uppercase. This action drops the reference to that cell inside the parenthesis, ensuring Google Sheets knows exactly which cell you're targeting. Once you've selected the original cell, the formula should look something like equals upper, open parenthesis, and then your selected cell reference, which could be something like A1 or B2, depending on where your data is located. Finally, close the parenthesis to complete the function. Now, all that's left to do is press the Enter key on your keyboard. Instantly, you should see the text from the original cell now displayed in all uppercase letters in the new cell you selected. It's as simple as that. It's worth noting that any letters within the original text that were already in uppercase will remain unaffected. The upper function only changes lowercase letters to uppercase and ignores any that are already capitalized. This nifty feature allows you to preserve any intentional capitalization you might have had, while seamlessly transforming the rest of your text to maintain consistency and clarity. I hope this walkthrough helps you easily capitalize all letters in your Google Sheets, giving your documents a polished and professional look. Once you've tried it a few times, you'll find it's an incredibly quick task. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your Google Sheets experience.